right back here is the on and off switch. Turn it clockwise to turn it on. Come over to the monitor, which has been upgraded to a touch screen. And it comes up, says previous program, yes or no. I'm going to say yes. So it goes to the program that you had on last time. So after you do that, you hit the little orange button at the top. Green button down below, and it starts heating up. Waiting for temperature now. But you can always go to your glue settings. You can change if you need to, up or down, depending on the temperature outside and the weather. You can change where it starts and stops at. Set the temperature. We are starting it. We're going to load our tape. We'll put our tape in just a little bit. We'll come hit the orange button and it'll feed our tape. And when the white light comes on, it's ready to run. Take our piece, double check our beam height is right, which I know this is millimeter, so this is right around 19 millimeter. Run your piece. And there you have it.